Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy lightweight leather earrings, and we do have this kit available on our website in the same pearlized blush leather. There's two options, a smaller and a medium one. The small has a 1.5 inch leaf and the medium has a 2-inch leaf. The kits are $7.50 and I'll leave the link for both of these down in the description so you can make these too. So let's get started. When we open up our kit, we can see that our leather is already cut and hole punched for us, and we've got ear wires, jump rings in 2 different sizes, pins, and 2 different types of beads. The first thing that we're going to do is to make simple loops on top of all of our beads, so take a second and thread each bead onto a pin. You can really make any type of loop that you like on these, but I prefer the simple loop since we don't want to add any length to the beads to cause them to cover up the leather. Now, to make your simple loop, take your flat chain nose plier and grab the pin as close as you can get to the bead and make a bend. We do have some excess wire, so we're going to trim it down to about 1/2 inch. Then, using your round nose pliers, grab the wire close to the cut end and roll it back over the top towards you, and it'll make it curve into a C shape. Readjust your tool so it's comfortable and continue turning until you get a nice closed loop. If you need to squeeze it a little bit side to side to get the loop totally closed, that is okay. Now, repeat this process for all 4 of your beads. And we're just going to speed this process up a little bit since this is the exact same thing that we just did. Now, all 4 of our beads have loops on them, so we're ready to start assembling all the pieces. Take 2 of the smaller jump rings and put 1 of each on the beads that we want to hang lower on the earring. In this case, I want the pearl to hang lower, so I'm going to put 1 of the small rings on each of the pearls. Using 2 flat nose pliers, put 1 on each side of the ring and open it front to back to cause a gap, and put the loop that you put on top of your bead into the jump ring and close it. Make sure that everything is closed so that nothing falls out. And then you'll just do the same thing for your other earring. Then I'm going to take one of my larger rings and open it to hook all of the pieces together. First, I'm going to put on the leather. Then I'm going to put on the ring that I just added to the pearl, making sure that it's on the front side of the leather and not the back. Then I'm going to add the crystal bead by putting the jump ring through the loop that I made on the top of that bead, and then close the large ring so everything sits together nicely. Then I need to use one of my small rings to connect the piece that I just made to the actual ear wire. If I put it on there as it is now, the earring will sit sideways. So to turn the direction 1/2 turn, I put a small ring on top of it and then put the ear wire on. Just make sure your earring is facing the front so that way your earring doesn't hang backwards. Close your small ring and all your pieces are complete, and just complete for your other earring. And that's it. You just made some really awesome earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and like this video because it helps make sure that lots of other people can see it too. And then also do me a favor and let me know down in the comments what other colors and shapes you'd like to see for this style of earrings. We've had a lot of people asking about other colors, so whatever you show us is the most popular is what's going to get made into kits next month. And then of course, last but not least, be sure to keep an eye out for our next video, which we'll be uploading next Saturday morning. So keep an eye out. Bye y'all. Have a great weekend.